everybody can check this, no, that this sound is okay, the other sound is a problem.
Okay, I am Asari Bhavyang, and today's my topic is about the theme of existentialism in the Waiting for the Godot. Samuel Beckett, he was born on April 13, 1906 and died at 22 December 1989. He was an Irish novelist, playwright, short story writer, theater director, poet, and literary translator. He was an author, critic, and a playwright. Waiting for the Godot. Waiting for the Godot is one of the most important play of the 20th century. Samuel Beckett, Waiting for the Godot is a play that present a conflict between a living by a religious and spiritual belief and living by an existential philosophy, which asserts that it is up to the individual to discover the meaning of a life through the personal experience in the earthly world. Support for these asserts regards the nature of the play is based off the first-hand interpretation of dialogue and action within the play itself, as well as interpretation of a quote, an idea from the Samuel Beckett and his critic. The theme of existentialism in the Waiting for the Godot. Both the character Ladimel and Estragon put themselves into the absurd situation, just like a human have been put in the world without any motivation. Samuel Beckett play Waiting for the Godot exposed that it is up to the individual to change the meaning of a life through the personal experience in the world and make it better. In very simple word, the philosophy of existentialism means that every person is responsible for his action and no second person is pulling his string or controlling his fate. Ladimel represents the portion of a humanity who trust in religious and spiritual belief to guide them, and the Estragon represents the more ideal existentialism portion of a humanity who choose to stop waiting and construct the meaning of life based on experience in a tangible and philosophical world around them. The following is an example of a dialogue which supports the concept. A concept from Waiting for the Godot. This is a conversation between Ladimel and Estragon, which I have taken from the play Waiting for the Godot. It tells about here we can see the Ladimel is depending on Godot to tell him what he needed to know regarding his existence, while Estragon asserts that they do not have the time to wait and they should take action on their own before it is too late. The metaphor of the cooling iron suggests that that humanity does not have enough time to wait for their spiritual pondering to offer them enlightenment, that the chance will pass and their effort will not take effort once it does. And there is another incident in the dialogue between the Estragon and Ladimel that play on the idea of Ladimel and faithful religion and Estragon as a progressive humanity. So here we can see once again the existential philosophy of the human experience in the physical world is what Estragon seek in his desire to live for inspiring prospect, and the common human tendency to wait on a religion to offer answer is inherent in Ladimel suggests that they should stay and wait so that they can be enligitated by Godot. Here I have taken the paragraph from Waiting for the Godot. The play Waiting for the Godot has all the traits of existentialism. Both Ladimel and Estragon represent the man in a general who is facing the problem of the existence in the world. Waiting for the Godot is an existential play because it has a clear taint of existential in it. If we study the term existentialism, we would come to know that it is a philosophical doctrine which lies stress on the of the existence with his concern, experience, and solitude. There are interdependent like all other men hope for a salvation in the subject of the play, and is the problem faced by the whole human race is representing the man is the general. The two tramp realize the futility of their exercise, and who not that they are merely filling up the hours with the pointless action. Hence is their waiting in mechanical and deal with the problem of existentialism. To conclude, we say that the whole picture shows the pretty hopelessness, neither time nor existence, neither reality nor memory of the past, and meaning of significance. Act are meaningless. Time does not flow. Consequently, memory seems deceptive. Exist is an impression, or perhaps a dream, and happiness is extremely an affliction in crystal clear through the situation of two tramp. There are on the point of becoming hollow, philosophical of existence, but demand not other equipment in the audience that the bond of a common perception. However, in a simple word, it means that every person is responsible for his action, and no second person is pulling his train or controlling his fate. Here we can see the references which I have taken, and thank you.
Okay, you can stop presenting, and the questions to Bhavyang should be asked.
Hello, Bhavyang. I have one question.
Yes.
What is existentialism?
It is form of a philosophy inquiry that explores the problem of a human existence and center of the living experience of the thinking, feeling, action, etc.
Thank you.